Hi, it's Shelley Tulloch, grade 6 teacher at Bedford South School. You can follow me on Twitter at 6tulloch. And I just wanted to give a brief tutorial for teachers at Bedford South School on how to book the iPad cart through the iCloud. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to www.icloud.com, and I would encourage you to bookmark that on your computer that you use most frequently, just to make sure that it's simplified and you can just easily click onto it when you're ready to book out the iPad cart. The Apple ID for our school is bsslab@icloud.com, and the password is our address, which is 2 Ocean View, and that is an uppercase O for Ocean View. And I would just write that down. You can even, put it somewhere that you won't forget it. It's not secret, but you do have to make sure that you remember it, and it is that uppercase O. Once you type that in, you're going to just click on that arrow, and hopefully I've typed it correctly and we'll get taken in. I have typed it correctly. It comes up immediately to the calendar. That's what was used most recently, and it shows the calendar for today, which is Tuesday, November 19th, and I can see that our Goodyear had the iPads first thing this morning, then Miss Wombolt had them after recess. The minis, which show up in pink, were booked by Miss Banks, and then Miss Tiller had the iPad minis again this afternoon, as did Miss Wombolt have the regular iPads. And you can see over on the left-hand screen is the legend, because we do have different categories. The blue dot stands for the full iPad cart. The pink shows for the mini cart full. If I wanted to just get a set of 5 of the iPads, or just a set of 5, I would indicate when I book it. So I'm going to show you now how to book it. And I can see at a glance, if I click on the week, I can see who else has got the iPads booked out, so that before I book them, I kind of want to look at the calendar to make sure that there's not a conflict with whatever I intend to book for. So I see that I've already got the iPads booked for Wednesday and Friday. So I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead to next week and I'll click on that new event. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, under new event, you should put your name. So I'm going to put Ms. Tulloch, and the location would be where I am. So I'm in my grade, and I'm in the blue pod. And I'm going to book them actually next Monday, and I'm going to book them from 8:30 till recess. And I have to just make sure that I change those things to AM as well, because it defaulted to PM. Okay. And I'm not going to repeat it, because I really encourage you not to set up recurring events so that everybody has access to the iPads, and we should only book 2 weeks at a time. So I'm going to click on OK, and then I can see that if I switch to the next week, it shows that the iPads are booked for me on Monday. So when I'm done, I'm just going to click on this arrow and I'm going to sign out so that it doesn't stay on and anybody can access it at another time. So that does conclude our tutorial, and I'd encourage you to watch it again if you're not quite sure how to set up those iPads for booking them. Thanks, and tune in another time.